also. Now, what is the phenomena of cloudburst? What is the phenomena of cloud burst? What is cloud burst? It is simply heavy rainfall for short duration of time over small area. It is Cloudburst refers to very heavy rainfall over small area for short duration of time. Indian Meteorological Department defines cloudburst as rainfall of 10 centimeter per hour or more. If it occurs in any area for short duration, it is termed as cloudburst. Cloudburst cause severe damage. They cause landslides, floods, devastation to social and physical infrastructure. They are very dangerous. Now, why do the cloudbursts take place? Where do they take place? Cloudburst is a phenomena of generally mountainous areas. Yes, in Himachal Pradesh recently, you can see in Uttarakhand in this rainy season, cloudbursts are very common. Hilly regions, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, northeastern part of the country, Western Ghats, these cloudbursts are very common. What is the mechanism? What triggers cloudburst? ऐसा क्या होता है कि एक साथ जरा से एरिया में इतनी भारी बरसात हो जाती है? What is the exact reason and exact mechanism behind this phenomena of cloudburst? मतलब एकदम से बारिश हो जाती है and it gets flooded. Basically, people get no chance to escape. इसमें बचने का चांस नहीं है. It rains very heavily. 5 मिनट 10 मिनट में तो तू सब बर्बाद कर देता है. What is the mechanism behind it? See, suppose this is any mountainous area. When cloud passes through mountainous regions, their movement is checked by this topographic barriers, mountains. When cloud passes through mountainous regions, they are obstructed by high mountains. जो ऊंचे mountains है ना, they obstruct the movement of clouds. Gradually, clouds start piling up in this region. Gradually, clouds start piling up in this region. One, mountains obstruct the movement of clouds. Second condition for cloudburst is on the ground, warm, moist air or warm, moist current is forced to ascend under the topographic barrier of this cloud. Warm, moist current of air is forced to ascend by this topographic barrier of this cloud. This warm, moist air, as it ascends, अब होता क्या है, clouds have a tendency to rise whenever they are obstructed by any barrier. They have a tendency to rise. But suppose this topographic barrier is high enough and clouds are unable to cross it and they are stuck, and multiple clouds pile up over here. They are stuck. At the same time, warm, moist air rises from the ground and tend to push the cloud further upward. As a result, what happens? The droplets of water which were preserved in these clouds, these droplets are forced to rise. They are not allowed to fall. It is the rising current of warm, moist air which rises from the ground because of obstruction of this topographic barrier. This warm, moist current does not allow the cloud droplets to fall. Rather, this warm, moist air further pushes the cloud upward. When the cloud rises, even more saturation takes place, even more vapor condenses into water droplets. So the size of water droplets become even larger. And this rising warm moist air also lead to the formation of clouds, and these clouds are continuously pushed upward. Because of this push of this warm moist air, these droplets of water goes on increasing because the clouds are forced to rise. As the clouds will rise, obviously air will rise, it will expand and cool, its moisture holding capacity will decrease, more and more vapor will condense into droplets of water. But those droplets of water are not allowed to fall under the impact of this rising current of warm air. As a result, huge, large droplets of water pile up in these clouds. And when this warm current becomes weak, it is unable to sustain these cloud droplets. Suddenly, all the cloud droplets fall all together at the same time, thus inundating the area with water, bringing flash floods and lot of destruction. That is landslides, floods, and damage to physical infrastructure and other things. So I hope the discussion of today might be clear to you.